Okay, problem 19 from chapter 2, CFIN7. We're going to do it in Excel. So, Duncan's Boutique, total assets are $440,000. Its return on assets of 8%. Debt ratio is 20%. What are Duncan's net income first? And then we're going to calculate return on equity. So, remember that if the debt ratio is 80%, remember your balance sheet equation, common equity has to equal 80%. So just go down here and enter common equity. So 0.8, and I'll just make it a percent. Oops, not common percent. There we go. So common equity is 80%, so just saving myself a step for later. So, so first thing we do is we're going to calculate net income with using our ROA. So return on assets is net income divided by total assets. So over here, net income is equal to ROA, return on assets, times total assets. So equals 0.08. times our 440,000. One extra zero there. Yeah, so net income is $35,200. So my common equity is going to be my total assets times common equity. Remember the balance sheet equation. So equals 440,000. times the 80%. And my common equity is $352,000. So my return on equity is going to be the net income divided by the common equity. So it looks like 0.1 or 10%. Just add a couple of decimal places just to make sure. So, which obviously 35,200 divided by 352,000 is 10%.